Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Action Center not to opening or not working on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. Firstly, you can try to restart your File Explorer. For that you just need to press Ctrl Shift and Escape together to open Task Manager, or else you can right click on your Start menu and click on Task Manager. After open Task Manager, you just need to simply find Windows Explorer. Here it is, as you can see. So simply right click on it and click on Restart. After restart, check if your problem is solved or not. If it's not, then follow my next step. Simply go to your Start or Search window and type over here CMD. Now right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. After that, click on Yes. After open CMD, you just need to put some command over here, which I'll give you on my video description. So the command is called DISM /online /clean up image, then /restore health. After that, press enter from your keyboard. Now it will take some time, so you have to wait for a few seconds. After done, you just need to restart your PC and check if your problem is solved or not. After restart, still if your problem is there, then I will suggest you to scan your file system. For that, you just need to open Command Prompt and type sfc /scan now command. And after that, press enter from your keyboard. And now it will take some time to complete the process. And after that, you just need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem. So I hope this tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.